Hi there. I just wanted to tell you about the experience in store with the QwikSkills Cloud Essential 101 training program. It's a game changer, folks. You'll be immersed in the world of Azure for 9 months. The hands-on learning, off the charts. About 70% of the program is dedicated to practical skills. I mean, you'll really get to flex those tech muscles. The two-mentor model was something you likely won't have experienced before, and it made all the difference. One mentor focuses on the concepts and another one hones in on the hands-on skills. It'll feel like having personal coaches for every aspect of the training. The program keeps you engaged with regular assessments and assignments. Plus, having personalized mentoring means that there's always someone to turn to when things get tough. What'll blow you away is just how the program went beyond just teaching. You build mini cloud projects, work on resumes, and even had mock interviews. They really try and set you up for success in the job market. And the bonus? At the end of the program, you'll get access to IBM's learning platform for additional tech courses and IBM-certified learning certificates. It all feels like a reward for the hard work. So if you're considering a path in cloud computing, you've got to check out QwikSkills Cloud Essential Training 101. It's thorough, practical, and it'll prepare you for the job market. Trust me, it's worth it.